How to play Pathwords from ThinkFun. But first, what we got with the game. Game grid complete with a storage compartment, a booklet with 40 challenge from beginner to expert, instructions manual with hints and solutions, and 8 color puzzle pieces. How to play. We're going to pick up a challenge, starting with the first one. In the top corner, you see this piece. That's the piece that we need to complete the challenge. Donc, we need blue, green, like a gray, and purple. Place the booklet in the drawer. We close the lid. We have 4 pieces. This piece, and we need to find 4 words. Each piece represents 1 word. We don't combine 2 pieces to make a word. That's not working. And also we can only cover the letter and not outside of the letter. Word can be spelled forward or backward, but not scrambled. Okay, we have prize, that work. We have bet. We have a junk. And the last word, clam. And the challenge is solved. We can take another challenge. Let's see the last one. I'm going to place this on the side. Let's see. The cards challenge are double-sided. Donc we have challenge on this face and also on the back. The last challenge, we need all the pieces. Okay. I have the word alone. This will be this piece. Let's see. I have the word comet. Let's see. I can word comet this way. I don't have a piece. No. No, that will be with this one. Comet. I have the word talon. That will be this piece. The word save. Okay, please this piece. What else? I have the word widow, but I already used this piece. I can work also this way, and I will be this piece. But here I don't have a piece to go here. Donc I have to make widow the other way around, if I can see. Like that. And I have the word hire. Work. Dire. Work. And last word, orate. And the challenge is solved. If you enjoy this video, feel free to check the video on the screen. Another amazing and fun challenge to solve.